Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove a part of your videos in CapCut PC. First of all, you're going to select your video first. So click on the clip here and you're going to select split and press delete on your keyboard. Or a more efficient way to do that is to just select either this one, which will delete the left part of your clip, or this one, which will delete the right part of your clip. So you can do that. You can also do the split here. You want to remove the middle, then select the middle and press delete. It's pretty much the same as the split here. I'm just used to using these instead, but that is it. And then I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!